Good morning students, welcome to the English class. So yesterday we have completed up to page number 10. Now all of you open the textbook page number 11. Textbook page number 11. Those who have textbook, please open the textbook page number 11. Those who have no textbooks, please go and purchase the books. Without books you can't study. Okay, so today our topic is naming words. Naming words. What are naming words? What are naming words? In the first lesson I have explained you about the naming words. Words that talk about person, place, thing, animal and birds. These are called naming words. Likewise, they can also talk about many persons, many places, many things, many animals, many birds. So, see, this is pen. This is pen. It is a thing. Sorry, it is a thing. So, when you have two pens, at the time what you will say? I have two pens. You will add s. Yes or no? You will add s because you have two pens. You have two pens. That's why you are adding s and you are telling pens. If you have only one pen, then what? How you will say? Pen, pen. Only one pen. This is one pen. If you have two, you will add s. Yes or no? Here comes singular and plural forms. Pen means it is a singular form. Pen means it is a singular form. Only one pen. Pens means two. If you have two, if you have three, you have to add s. See, for example, I have only one book. See, I have only one book. Now, I am showing you another book. So, can I say two book? Two book can I say? No. What I have to tell? What we have to tell? Two books. We have to add two books. When we talk of more than one, the spelling of naming words changes. The spelling of naming words changes. If you have two, means you have to write two books. If you have only one, then you have to write book. If you have two, you have to write two books. You have to add s. When we are talking about more than one, even it is person, even it is place, even it is thing, even it is animal, even it is birds, we have to add s. You have to add s. See, suppose, what is this? This is box. It is only one box. How many boxes I have? Only one box. Yes or no? In this, can you see? In this, many chalk pieces are. In this, many chalk pieces are there. So, we can tell this is only one chalk. No need of adding s. Yes or no? Only one chalk. If I take more than one, two or four or five, see, now I can say I have 5 chalks. I am adding s. If I show you only one, it is only one chalk. If I am showing you more than one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have 5 chalks. I will tell that I have 5 chalks. Yes or no? Chalk piece. When we are talking about more than one, we have to add s. Have you got an idea now? Yes. This is only one marker. So, it is singular. It is only one marker. If I have another 2, another 3, 4 marker means at the time we have to tell markers. I have to add s. See, this is only one hand. If I show another, now I can say I have 2 hands. See, one hand, this is only one hand. If I show this 2, then I have to tell I have 2 hands. See, this is my nose. I have only one nose. No need of adding s. I have 2 nose. No. If I have more than one, I can add s there. Suppose eyes. These are my eyes. So at that time I have to write 2 eyes. These are my ears. More than one. 1, 2. So 2 ears. Got it? If we are talking about more than one, related to persons, places, things, animals, birds, we have to add s. Okay? Now coming to the exercise part, all of you open textbook page number 11. Textbook page number 11. Take pencil also. Textbook page number 11. See, write s after words to show many. So, first one only here given a figure of doll. A figure of doll. Here it is given only figure of 1. How many dolls? Here it is given only 1 doll. But here it is given how many dolls? Count and say how many doll? 2 doll. Here it is only 1. We have to tell doll. Here it is given 2. So we have to tell 2 dolls. D-O-L-L-S, dolls. 2 dolls. When we are talking about more than one, we have to add s. Second one. Here given only 1. Here given only 1 key. Count and tell me how many keys are there in this figure. Many keys. Here many keys, more than 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 keys are there. So we can say many keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. Third one. Here it is given only, what is this? Apple. All will tell apple, apple. It is not apple. It is apple. A sound. You have to pronounce a sound. Here it is given only 1 apple. here count and tell me how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. So we can write many apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. S. So listen here all of you. Here it is only one doll. So no need of writing S. If it is more than one, we have to add S. Here how many dolls are there? 2 dolls. That's why we are adding S here. When we are talking about more than one, either it is person, place, thing, animals, birds, at that time we have to add S. Second one, key. Here it is given only one key. So no need of adding S here. Here 3 keys means many keys. S, we have added S. Here it is only one apple. One apple. Next, here many apples. There are many apples. So we have added yes. So I will give some words here. You have to add the S for that given words. First one, pen. Second one, hat. Third one, cup. Fourth one, dog. Fifth one, kite. Sixth one, doll. Seventh one, bat. Eighth one, chair. Ninth one, fan. 10th one, book. Okay, I have given only singular form. You have to imagine more than one. If you are talking about more than one, what we have to write there? We have to add. What we have to add? We have to add yes. We have to add yes. Keep this point in your mind. Okay, we have to add S. Then pen, pens. Hat, hats. Cup, cups. Dog, dogs. Kite, kites. Doll, dolls. Bat, bats. Chair, chairs. Fan, fans. Book, books. Okay, once again, when we are talking about more than one, that means persons, places, animals, things. When we are talking about more than one, we have to add S. Okay, we have to add S. Here it is given only one doll. Here given 2 dolls. 2 dolls. So we have added S. Here it is given one key. No need of adding S here. Here there are many keys. That's why we have added S. Now here one apple. There are many apples. Okay, there are many apples. That's why we have added. That's why we have added S. Okay. Now see, you have to add S for these given words, and you have to post to your concerned class teacher. You have to post to your concerned class teacher. See, suppose pen. Imagine that there are more than one pen and write down. Okay, hat. Next, cups. Next, dogs. Imagine there are many dogs and you have to write. Kites. Next, dolls. Next, bats. Chairs, fans. Next, books. Okay. Complete this home task and post to your concerned class teacher. That's all for today. Thank you.